This economical powder shaking dryer is suitable for dual-head DTF printers. Print patterns onto DTF transfer film using a printer. Place the printed transfer film on the feeding platform of the powder shaking dryer. Pour in hot melt powder. Set powder speed. Transfer film is placed on the conveyor belt. Adjust the powder blocking device to reduce powder dropping. Set powder shake speed. Start the conveyor belt to feed the transfer film into the drying tunnel for drying. Take up finished pattern. Use a heat press machine to hot stamping the pattern onto the fabric. Temperature 160 degrees, time 8 seconds. Remove the transfer film. Effect is firm and beautiful. Pattern is clear and does not fade. Drying tunnel. Double row cooling fan. Smoke vent. Powder recycling device. Intelligent touch screen. Temperature, time, and speed are clearly visible. Shaker speed setting. Conveyor belt speed setting. Spreading powder speed setting. Automatic manual switching. Pause switch. Upper temperature switch. Upper temperature setting. Temperature switch of feeding platform. Temperature setting. 2-head and 4-head printer speed conversion switch. Shake powder switch. Conveyor belt forward and reverse setting. Spreading powder forward and reverse setting. Conveyor belt suction switch. Cooling fan switch. Stimming winding of tail end materials.